Hello and welcome to Magi Quest. No Magi Quest. No AMC movie theater. No Dragon's Lair golf. If you've been following the channel, you know where I'm at. I'm at Broadway at the beach. And as you can see, there's still more demolition occurring. This was the walkway that led alongside what was the IMAX / Big D / I believe there's a magician that runs a show here now. You used to be able to walk up here and go across the bridge, which is right over there. You can't anymore. It is demolished. So they've extended the demo activities. Straight ahead was where Dragon's Lair Golf was. Right there was Magi Quest, and behind all this was the movie theater. Let's take a walk around, since we can't walk through here, around the IMAX, and see what we can see. As I turn the corner here, ahead of us is the Aztec Theater with the Simpsons 4D movie and the Quickie Mart gift shop, which used to have a walkway that looped all the way around to the bridge. Oh, it looks like you still can access the bridge, which is a good thing. Keep that foot traffic moving. Oh, here you go. Wonders of Magical Experience. That's what's currently playing in the once IMAX theater. So they've removed a good bit of the debris from the Dragon's Lair Golf. Looks like the Quickie Mart and Aztec's quiet. Just as a side note, the Simpsons 4D theater, my personal opinion, not the best use of your time, but I have a video on that, so go check that out on the playlist, and you can hear my full review and opinion of that 4D experience. So here we are. Pavilion Nostalgia Park was straight ahead. Dragon's Lair Mini Golf was right on the other side of this fence. AMC Theater back there. And Magi Quest there. The walkway I was talking about at the very beginning, right there, left of those soda machines. It appears that they're recycling a lot of the material, a lot of the concrete back there in the middle. Grinding it down, reusing it. I'm happy to see that way back there in the center is the old carousel still inside its building. They have not removed that as far as I know. The doors are shut, so it might be empty in there, but I assume that the carousel's still there. Alright, let's get another perspective over here from the bridge. According to that very large sign over there, attached to the back of Ripley's Aquarium, the penguin exhibit is officially open. That's something I'm going to have to make my way over to and share with you guys and gals. So if you're watching and you were curious about the Ripley's Penguins exhibit, it is open. So make your way over there. Check it out. Let me know how it is. I'll eventually visit. All right, well, thank you guys and gals for joining me on this quick update of what's going on at Broadway at the Beach with their demolition activities and construction. I say construction. They haven't really started any new construction as far as I can tell at this time. But as it comes together, I will peek over the fence and share it with you guys and gals so that you're kept in the loop. All right, until next time, take it easy.